So hello everyone, what's up guys, welcome to another new video of SR Tech. So do you know this new feature of Instagram 2024? So what is this feature? So you can see here in my side, so this is the new feature of Instagram in Instagram notes. So now you can add gold notes in your Instagram notes tab. So it's same in gold style, gold template. You can add any of your notes on Instagram. If you add any music or song or text daily in your Instagram notes tab, then now you can change it into this gold style, gold template. Now you can use from today. So this is the very new feature of Instagram for notes tab. So how can you use this gold template, and you can create any of your normal Instagram notes into this stylish gold template by using this gold template in your Instagram notes, and it will look like gold. So this is gold Instagram notes. So how can you use this feature? What is the trick to use this feature in Instagram notes? This I'm gonna show you in my today's video. So this is very best and very amazing trick of Instagram notes by Instagram today. So how can you use? Now I'm gonna show you from my Android mobile. So keep watching this video till end, and if you are new in this channel, then please share, subscribe and like for this kind of helpful videos. So without wasting any time, let's move to the trick. So friends, to create new gold style notes to your Instagram account, so how can you do it? Just you have to click on note button as usual. So usually you click on note, and now anything you can write in this note. So for example, hello everyone. So just for the example, I wrote here hello everyone. And what you have to do, very important step guys, just you have to click on emoji, and you have to add this emoji guys. Click on search button, GOLD, gold. Okay, and after you search this gold emoji in this tab, I again click on gold. So now you can see here guys, this emoji, this third number one, this medal gold, so gold medal, just you have to click on this emoji. You have to select this emoji guys, just select this emoji. Okay, so this emoji guys, okay, only one emoji of this gold medal. And after you select this emoji, after you type or add this emoji too, just now you have to click on share. So guys, just this is the trick. Just you have to select this emoji very carefully guys, only this emoji, or you can use this goat emoji also. So this type of goat emoji or this emoji, you can use any of this emoji and click on share button. Okay, so now here you can see guys, so this notes has been created into gold style. So now this gold notes has been shared to my notes tab. So you can add music also, like you normally add any notes. So hello everyone, and this gold style. So in the side you can see here, this is normal style notes, and this is new feature of Instagram in golds. So gold style notes you can add to your Instagram notes from now. So this is the easy trick. Just you have to add this specific emoji. You can add goat emoji, or either you can add this emoji guys, this gold medal, and then your any Instagram notes will be changed into gold style, gold background. So this is the easy trick to add gold notes on your Instagram to use this feature. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please share, subscribe and like, and comment down if this trick is working. So bye bye guys.